Are you ready to take your business or project online? One of the first steps is securing a domain name that represents your brand. In this video, I'll show you how to easily purchase a domain from GoDaddy in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit GoDaddy's website. First, head over to GoDaddy's website by typing www.godaddy.com into your browser. On the home page, you'll find a search bar where you can type in the domain name you want to purchase. Type in your desired domain name and click Search. In this case, I will create a site for my fitness business. Let's try with Fitness Fit. Then press the Search Domain button. GoDaddy will show you if the domain is available. If it's already taken, don't worry. They'll also suggest alternative names or extensions, like .net or .org. The following shows the price we will be charged and also the domain recommendation as well as the URL name. But wait, I don't really like the name Fitness Fit. I'll change it to Fitness Forfeit. Once you've found the perfect domain and price, then click on Add to Cart. Whoops, you got a domain bundle recommendation. But I'm fine with it. If you have not logged in like me, then you will be directed to log in first. Then you will be taken to this page. You'll see additional options like domain privacy protection to keep your personal details hidden. I recommend enabling this feature for added security, but for this example, I will choose the unprotected domain option. And there's also an option to get professional emails, which I didn't choose in this example. Then press the Proceed to Cart button. You are now redirected to the cart page. Now, double-check the domain, the duration of your registration, and any additional features. In this case, I chose the duration of 1 year, and underneath it offers us back the domain protection and professional email features we saw earlier. And in this section, there is a promo code, which, if you use it, it will give you a special discount. If everything is as desired, then press the button I am ready to pay, and you will be directed to the payment page, where on this page you will be asked to fill in your personal information such as address and cellular number. Then you will be asked to select the payment method. If you are using a card, then you will be asked to write down the card information. If everything is set, now press the Complete Purchase button, and the website domain is all yours. Congratulations! You've successfully purchased your domain from GoDaddy. Now you're one step closer to launching your online presence.